Git restore previous version. What does restore previous version mean? Restoring a previous version means going back to an earlier state of your project by using an older commit from Git history. It means your code changed, or something broke, or a mistake was made, or you want an older working state. So restore previous version equals go back in time plus reuse old commit plus fix current problems. Why restoring a previous version matters? It is important because bugs can be undone, broken code can be fixed, stable versions can be recovered, work is not lost, history is preserved. Without restoring, crossmark bugs stay, crossmark app may not run, crossmark production may break, crossmark panic and confusion, crossmark risky hotfixes. With restoring, checkmark working code comes back, checkmark errors disappear, checkmark stability returns, checkmark safe recovery, checkmark confidence improves. Why you might need to restore a previous version. This usually happens when a bad commit was made, a feature broke the app, wrong files were changed, merge caused problems, deployment failed, experiment went wrong. Without restore, crossmark you must rewrite code, crossmark hard to track bug, crossmark time wasted, crossmark more errors. With restore, checkmark old version works, checkmark no rewrite needed, checkmark faster recovery, checkmark less stress. Typical situations where this is needed. Common scenarios. After a bad merge, after broken deployment, after deleting important code, after failed experiment, after wrong config change. Example: yesterday version works, today version crashes. Why? Current commit is broken, old commit is stable, Git can go back. Basic troubleshooting steps. First checks. Check recent commits. Identify broken commit. Find last working commit. Compare changes. Why? Avoid wrong rollback. Pick correct version. Prevent data loss. Understand problem. Fix 1. Restore by checking out an old commit. Use when you want to inspect old version. Result: project returns to old state. Read only. Why? Good for testing. No history change. Safe inspection. Warning danger. Crossmark you are in detached head. Crossmark new commits may be lost. Good practice. Checkmark create branch from old commit. Checkmark don't work directly there. Checkmark verify code. Fix 2. Restore by creating a new branch from old version. Use when you want to continue work from old version. Result: new branch starts from stable code. Why? Keeps history. Safe development. No overwrite. Bad practice. Crossmark work on detached state. Crossmark delete newer history. Good practice. Checkmark branch clearly. Checkmark test before merging. Checkmark push branch. Fix 3. Restore using revert. Undo a bad commit. Use when you want to undo changes but keep history. Result: new commit reverses bad commit. Why? Safe for shared branches. No rewrite. History stays intact. Bad practice. Crossmark delete commit manually. Crossmark rewrite shared history. Good practice. Checkmark revert instead of reset. Checkmark use on main branch. Checkmark keep audit trail. Fix 4. Restore using reset. Move branch back. Use when you want to remove recent commits. Result: branch pointer moves back. Why? Local cleanup. Undo mistakes. Warning danger. Crossmark can delete commits. Crossmark risky on shared branches. Good practice. Checkmark use only locally. Checkmark backup commit hash. Checkmark avoid on main. Daily workflow to avoid needing restore. Safe workflow. Commit small changes. Test before push. Use feature branches. Review code. Merge carefully. Why? Fewer rollbacks. Safer releases. Cleaner history. less panic. Common mistakes that cause version rollbacks. Committing broken code. No testing. Force push. Bad merges. Direct work on main. Why? Bugs go to history. Restore becomes needed. Team slows down. Versioning and history structure. Good structure. Main. Feature, login. Feature, payment. Hotfix, crash. Bad structure. All work on main. Random branches. No history. Why? Easy rollback. Easy recovery. Safe development. How restoring versions affects teams. When done wrong. Lost commits. Broken branches. Conflicts. Delays. When done right. Checkmark no data loss. Checkmark stable builds. Checkmark fast recovery. Checkmark team trust. Real life analogy. Restore previous version is like undo button for your project. Document equals your code. Save equals commit. Undo equals restore old commit. If latest save is broken, you open yesterday's save. In simple words, restore previous version means find older commit, return code to that state, continue safely. Fix equals pick stable commit, restore or branch from it, move forward again. Best practices for restoring versions. Use. Checkmark small commits. Checkmark clear messages. Checkmark feature branches. Checkmark revert on main. Checkmark backup commit IDs. Avoid. Crossmark force reset on shared branch. Crossmark panic deletes. Crossmark manual file rollback. Crossmark ignoring history. Restoring a previous version helps you recover working code, undo mistakes, fix broken releases, protect history, save time. A good Git workflow. Checkmark uses commits wisely. Checkmark protects history. Checkmark avoids panic. Checkmark supports teamwork. Checkmark builds confidence.